Hello, this is Kenny from HIMOTO Racing. Today we're going to show you how to reinstall the engine back into the RC vehicle. We ease the engine back into its perspective screw positions. We take the braking linkage, we put it back through the brake, then we hook it back onto the servo horn. Now we take our hand and grab onto the engine along with the chassis and we turn it around. And now we're going to apply the screws. You leave these screws a little bit loose because you want to adjust the gear mesh when it's time to tighten everything up. And that's how you reattach the engine back into RC vehicle. Thank you for watching.